You know that sound? That high-pitched mechanical whining at 6 a.m.? Your pool pump is literally screaming for its life. Your neighbors hear it too. They've already got a WhatsApp group called That House with the Dying Pump. Here's the thing. That Banshee Wail isn't just loud. It's burning cash. Like a mechanical vampire that feeds on $100 bills. We're talking $2,000 a year just to keep your pool from becoming a science experiment. $2,000. That's a lot of pool floaties. Your pump is screaming, your wallet is crying, and you're sipping coffee like, this is fine. Maybe if I turn the music up louder. No, stop normalizing appliance abuse. That pump isn't being dramatic. It's begging for the sweet release of death. Those bearings are drier than your uncle's Thanksgiving turkey. The motor? Hotter than your takes on social media. Every extra decibel is another dollar into your utility CEO's yacht fund. What's actually happening? Your single-speed fossil from 2003 only knows one mode, maximum chaos, 24/7. It's like driving your car in first gear on the highway while leaning on the horn. But fixing it sounds expensive, says the person hemorrhaging money every month. And no, Brad's tip to just spray WD-40 on it is not a solution. Brad's pool looks like a swamp. Option 1, the 15-minute Band-Aid. Clean the basket, check the impeller, lube the O-rings. You buy maybe 3 days of peace. Option 2, the thing your pump is begging for. Upgrade to variable speed. Isn't that expensive? These pay for themselves in under 2 years. After that, you're basically getting paid to have a quiet pool. Picture this, a new variable speed pump, purring like a satisfied cat, using up to 90% less energy. Your bill drops fast. Your neighbors start waving again, instead of passive-aggressively mowing at 5 a.m. as revenge. Best part? You walk outside like, oh wait, is my pool even running? Meanwhile, it's moving water like a meditation guru. Smooth, controlled, enlightened. Here's your wake-up call. Every day you ignore that screaming pump is a day you choose chaos. You choose waste. You choose to be that neighbor. Your pool pump shouldn't sound like a jet engine with anxiety. Fix it. Upgrade it. At least, acknowledge the cry for help. Because trust me, Karen's already planning the intervention.